For everyone that suffers from allergies, I'm gonna help you a lot today with these two special things. Elderberry and the nettle are the well-researched plant that can help you a lot if you have allergies and you want to ease your problems. I'm going to give you a recipe for the elderberry tea, also infusion with nettle. Elderflower is the white blossom of the elder tree. This flower has amazing anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that calm the nerves and heal problems with the sinuses, eyes, lungs, and the respiratory system. It can commonly use for the colds and the flu, sinus infection, and other respiratory issues. This herb can be very effective in alleviating allergy symptoms and boosting your immune system in a very natural way. This is also one of my favorite plants, especially good for this upper respiratory tract infection. Recipe for this tea is going to be like this: 250 milliliters water, 1 tablespoon of dry elderflower. In a small saucepan, boil the water. Drop the elderflower into boiling water and remove the pan from the heat. Allow the elderflower to steep in the water 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger and more potent the tea will be. Strain and drink in the warm or add ice to make iced tea. So this is my first recommendation for everyone that wants to treat allergy natural way. Of course, it's going to be elderberry tea, and my second proposition is going to be nettle infusion. What is nettle infusion? To make this hot herbal tea infusion, you need to buy loose leaf tea. Hot herbal tea infusion use a large amount of herbs and are steeped for several hours so the vitamins and enzymes are fully drowned out. The longer the tea is steeped, the more nutrients it provides. For 2 cups, 500 milliliters of water, 3 to 4 tablespoons of dry nettles. Procedure: boil the water. Place the nettles in a mason jar, then fill the jar to the top with the water. Cover with a lid, label, and date the jar. Let the infusion steep for at least 3 to 4 hours. To maximize extraction of the minerals from the nettle, steep a little bit longer. Strain and drink right away, or store it in the refrigerator up to 3 days. For this infusion, usually you're gonna on low heat, couple hours, steep the special ingredients. As I said right now, it's gonna be nettle leaf, 3, 4, maybe 5 hours, and you have after that a very potent infusion with nettle. You're gonna drink it maybe like half to 1 cup each day, and you can choose if you want to drink elderberry tea, maybe you want to drink infusions from the nettle. Both plants are perfect for your allergy, and it's gonna help with your symptoms in a very natural way. If you have any kind of suggestion how you relieve your problems with the allergy, please comment below.